Hello. Some of you may be saying, during our chat during class yesterday, Professor Rose said something very important and I didn't write it down, but I really thought it was important. Do I have to try to remember what it was and send her an email and wait for a reply? Well, no. Thanks to the prompting of one of your fellow students, thanks, Joe, I've found out how I can and you can access the recordings of our class times. Here's an example of a Blackboard class shell. And now if I expand this, if you go down to the lower left-hand side, you'll see Collaborate right there. And that's what you need to click on, just like you're entering a course room. Here's the next screen you should see. And what you'll need to do is to click on this settings symbol right there. Notice how this side panel opens up, and what you want to click on is recordings. And then you will be able to click on the recording right here that you would like to view and hear. Now the quality won't be great because I'll be tapping directly on the tablet with which I'm recording, and you'll get some background noise from the microphones, but at least you will have the same experience you had while you were here with us in class time, or if you missed it, you can now see what went on. For some of your classes, it's a lot of quiet time. For others, you'll hear all the jokes and everything. I have not been consistently recording class sessions because I hadn't figured out how you and I could access them, but now that I figured that out today, I will be recording all of our class times, our class sessions, from now on. So I hope this is helpful. Send me an email. Let me know if you have any further questions.